Hi, it's Tina and Tim, and we're back to follow up a little bit more on these resources that are available to the custodial and non-custodial parents and the factors that kind of come into it. So Tina, let's examine for a moment, because we've had this happen before. The custodial parent says, I'm not working, I'm on disability, I can't work. So what does that mean really when a person is on either, some sort of disability or Social Security income, and they're claiming they can't work?
Well, first of all, this is just what happened recently in court. A support magistrate specifically asked the person who was claiming they couldn't work that they needed to provide, one, a medical record that states specifically what their diagnosis is and how that diagnosis relates to their inability to be employed and what limitations there are on their employability. So just because you come into court and claim disability, you're going to have to prove to the court there is actually a disability. I know I say that word a couple times, but so that means if you're truly disabled and say you're out on workers' comp and now you're receiving Social Security disability, make sure when you head in there, you have those documentations that set forth why you can't work and what your diagnosis is and how it relates. So remember that. It's kind of like a catchy 1, 2, 3 kind of punch, but make sure you have that. Otherwise, they'll disregard it and they'll impute income to you. And you don't want that, especially if all you have to rely on is your disability income from either workers' comp or from Social Security.
Thank you. And as always, subscribe, like, and share.